Hello everyone, this is Sheshe and today I am making a card process video. It is a congratulations on your new home theme card. I have never made a card like this before, but I thought I would give it a try. I am using this set. I've already made up my little girls. I have a tutorial on this if you're interested in how to make the little girls. So if I know a lot of people asked what would I do with my little girls, so I'm giving you an idea of what I did on this card. I'm going to use this set. It comes from Alina Craft store and it makes the little house on my card. So I show you an idea of how I put the house together. I also use this background. You can do so many things with this die. I thought it was really unique. It's really big too. But I cut it down to the size of the house and I use that to put my house together so it looks a little bit more realistic in the scene of my new home card. I also use, this doesn't come from Alina's store, but I have a little cloud that I use to put the scene together. And then I also use a sentiment from my stash, congratulations. And I use some other things from my stash like Wink of Stella and glue and some cardstock. And that's about it. So sit back and enjoy the process. Okay, here's the finished card. It's a congratulations on your new home card. I think it turned out really nice. As you can see, I put the congratulations going at an angle. There's acetate in the windows, trees in the front yard, little tree over here. It's just a fun little card. And then you open the door and there's someone saying hello. You close it back. It doesn't close all the way, but at least it's peeking out so the person knows to kind of see who's inside. So I think it turned out really cute. So I hope you enjoyed this process video. I gave you a sneak peek at how it was somewhat put together. Cut some corners here and there. So I hope you're inspired to make one of your own. So take care everyone and have a fabulous day. We'll include some pictures at the end.